I'm a nut, my life, don't ever get in a rut. The head on my shoulders is sort of loose, and I ain't got sense God gave a goose. Lord, I ain't crazy, but I'm a nut.
Isn't this a boring bit of video? Okay, it's the last week. No, it's not. It's the first week of October, and at the end of October, of course, all the campsites decide that it's time to sort of shut up. Well, most of them do. There are some that you can do, but most of the bigger ones do. My brother, in his greatness, has decided that these glasses that I'm wearing don't look good enough, so he's bought me these. So I thought I'd wear these. What do you think? Comments, please. Oh my word. Well, you must admit, they do look quite hip. I know. As you can see, I've had a shave as well, which is good for me, really, considering. Because when I watch the videos back and I see myself with all this white stuff here, and my hair, it just looks so dark. It looks like I dye my hair. Years ago I used to dye my hair white, and blonde, and all different colours really. And then I had a black beard, of course. But now, for some reason, my beard comes out white, and this is my natural hair colour. So everybody thinks I dye my hair. If I should dye my hair white to match my beard. Now, I don't know. Maybe it's just something you do. The other thing I wanted to say about was the amount of people that put videos on YouTube. And I don't know why, but they use such a wide angle lens. Have you noticed that? It's like they call them fisheye lenses. And for some reason, this seems to be used a lot, especially with this GoPro. So, yes, I mean, yes, it does give you a nice wide angle. But if you're watching it, if I watch it on a big television, it can make your head spin a little bit. So I just thought I'd mention that. The camera in the front of the car, bus, shall I say, which films as you go along. That's fisheye, obviously, but I do usually zoom it in until it says ×2, and then you get a normal sort of, you know, picture, rather than this sort of, how can you describe it? It's a sort of, well, it's a fisheye, isn't it, really? And it's so wide, and it does make the side of these screens go woo, woo, woo. So yeah, so can I just comment on that? Is that all right? Good. I'm at Walton-on-the-Naze at the moment. Nice place.
So it's not that it's not moving. The arrow should turn around, you think? Maybe not? No?
I think you're holding it flat on you. You've not got to hold it up.
Yeah, it's not moving. Let's try and stick it to the screen and see what happens.
Right.
It's that. It's the Bluetooth. It's gone off. It's the bloody Bluetooth.
Let's see if it is the Bluetooth. Can I?
2 seconds.
I'll unplug the Bluetooth.
Yeah, no.
Or do you push the button? Oh no, it's a phone, isn't it?
Yeah, hang on. I'll just unplug it. Wait a minute.
You can't just switch it off.
Yeah, it's this.
It is the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is too strong for it.
This is sending a signal to there, transmitting, and it doesn't like it.
Right, plug it back in, see if it goes off, just out of curiosity.
It is ready, waiting for device to connect.
That's ready, that one.
Yeah.
But until you get a signal.
Paired.
It says it's paired.
Yeah, right, let it pair. It's gone off.
Yeah, it's that.
As you can see, it's just been raining and it's very windy. I'm taking a quick dash to the loo. And a good excuse really to film a camper van that is here, by accident of course. It's a lovely camper van, look. It is a Mercedes camper van, but it is very nice. Things I do. I'm going to fall over in a minute if I'm not careful. These plastic steps, I always slip on them. Oh, hang on, that's the men's. Okay. Ah, shoot! Now, as you can see, it's raining a bit.
It is coming in!
The only problem is the oh my gosh, it's actually coming in now.
Oh.
The only problem is the canopy, I'm hoping, hasn't ripped. It's still coming in. I don't know what's happened to the canopy.
Got loads of water in the middle.
Really?
Yeah.
It's got a load of water in the middle.
Loads of water
Um,
down.
I think it's about to fall over.
What about if I go
So-
outside, just like push it up and see the water go everywhere?
Are you sure? Ready?
Yeah, I'll do it fast though.
We'll have to do it really fast. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Oh, shoot.
Look, loads of it.
It hasn't split, has it?
No, it hasn't split. It's just got loads of water in the middle of
Ah, jeepers.
it. We'll need to do it.
Gee. Yeah. Pete, get this get the door open.
The door?
Go forward. Okay.
Oh, we're going to have that side there.
Okay. I'll tell you what, unscrew that red thing.
This?
Yeah, unscrew it and get it to go down. And let it go down a bit. Unscrew it, that's it. Right, now do the other side. Now do the other side. That's it.
Oh, okay, sorry,
That's it, and then hopefully it'll roll
that
off.
should be alright.
I didn't realise it was raining like that.
That was fun. Well, a bit wet though.
Gee. Wow. There it is. There it is. Tonight's first course. Can I call that a first course? It is a first course. Excellent.